All right, guys, I'm gonna walk you through my 5-minute plank. Now, I just recorded one and apparently there was no sound, so here we go again. I just wanna let you know, so for you, you don't have to do 5 minutes straight, obviously. So the warm up every day with the 5-minute plank ultimately is what's gonna get you to be able to do it over time. So don't be frustrated if you have to take a break after 30 seconds, or if you wanna split it up into 10, like whatever, what it would be, 10 30-second planks. If you wanted to play that route, that's perfectly fine too. If you wanted to challenge yourself and go like a minute straight and then take a rest, but ultimately it's gonna take you between 5 and 10 minutes to complete this task here. So set my timer up, just hit go, get down into my plank, and then first and foremost, I want you to make sure that your lower back is straight. A lot of people, when they plank, they arch their lower back like this. So what you want to do is you want to take a deep inhale and then push that lower back out without raising the butt too high. So I'll switch to the side here so you can kind of see what that looks like. A lot of people are like this in their plank. So what I'm going to do is straighten out that lower back. How does that look, Terrell? Pretty straight?
Your back does.
Good. So now I'm gonna have my hands shoulder width apart, and I'll switch back to this view here. And as I'm connected with the ground, I'm kind of pulling my wrists inward towards my center. And then I'm also focusing on pressing into my toes with my left foot and my right foot. And then upon doing that, I'm flexing my posterior chain, which is my calves and my hamstrings and also my glutes. And when I do that and I'm connected, I can kind of feel a shake happening because basically my mind is drawing that connection back in with my body. So don't be afraid of that shake. Lean into it. And then breathe. And then what I like to do is, once I get really tired in my shoulders right here, I drop down to my forearms, prop onto my side, try to align my elbow and my heel, and then my outside hip, I'm trying to raise up as high as I can and keep the activation in my side body. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're feeling good, you can raise that right leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can bring the left or the outside leg up, or you can bring it back and you can hold it right there and kind of balance yourself on your toe. I'm focusing on the weight being on the inside of the foot, mainly on the heel. So now I'm getting tired here, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to my right side, aligning my right elbow and my right heel. Go straight up, activating throughout my side body. Feeling good. I'm gonna lift my left leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it up high here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then back. I'm really focusing on my right heel right now and activating through the side leg, through my quad and into my hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm almost at 3 minutes already. So now I'm gonna come back up, find my standard plank again. Take a couple deep breaths. And then now I'm gonna drop to my elbows. I'm gonna try to challenge myself a little bit here and widen my legs out. And I'm gonna hover my knees right above the ground. And then same concept. I'm pulling my elbows in towards my center, pressing my feet into the ground, activating my glutes, activating my quads, my hamstrings, and really tightening in and pulling this way with my toes, if that makes sense. So I'm pulling this way with my elbows, pulling this way with my toes. I'm drawing all the energy into the center. Ooh, feeling it right now, but I got 1 more minute to go. So what I'm gonna do for this last minute here is I'm gonna just raise my left hand up, and that's actually giving my left shoulder a rest. while I put all the pressure into my right shoulder. You can widen out your feet, press into your toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. For me, staying in motion helps me pass the time a little bit better versus staying still. Both philosophies are going to get you a six-pack and a stronger core. So I'm going to get my right leg up, straighten it out, flex my glutes, press my grounded foot into the ground a little bit harder. I'm going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to go left hand, right leg. 5, 4, 3, 2. Flexing everything. 2, 1. Switch. And then right hand up, left leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. So I activated my core all the way around, and now I'm feeling a little bit more grounded. And if it takes you a little time to get that connection with your glutes in there, feel free to just hold the pose and focus your mind pretty much everything right here, focusing everything right here on your hamstring and your glutes. And what that's gonna do is you're gonna find it easier to activate the front side of your body, and you'll find it that you'll have to focus more on pressing into the ground and activating your glutes. So
What if I can't go 5 minutes?
if you can't go 5 minutes, that's perfectly okay. What you can do is you can split it up into 30-second increments or 15-second increments. Feel free to rest as much as you want. So the 5 minutes of planking might take you 10 minutes to actually complete. But just keep in mind, if you do this every day, you're gonna build and build and build, and you'd be surprised as to how long you're gonna be able to go after a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So cool, hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you very much.